Hello and welcome to the Savvy Gadget channel with me, Ven UK, in this questions and answers section. Now, I previously brought a Humax box and showed the setup and what you can do with it about 6 months ago. Now, one of the comments on that video was, is there an app store and can you use Now TV on it? And that was from Garfi 1981. So yes, there is, but no, there isn't a Now TV app. Now, the app isn't exactly easy to find. If you press the home button, that green one in the middle there, and then navigate up to Humax and then across to the TV portal. Hello. Here it is. This is the apps that you have. Now, if I just click on family there, it then gives you some instructions to go to www.myhumax.net. There you can add apps to here from your account, but Now TV isn't one of them. So yes, there's an app store of sorts. No, there's no Now TV. So Garfi 1981, sorry mate, but that's the best there is. So thanks for watching. Hopefully you found this informative. Hopefully I'll be able to do more Q&A videos for you as and when people ask questions. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.